I'm Rachel with VMware Marketing, and I'm here with Alex today, and I'm going to ask him a few questions about his experience at Hands-On Labs. So is this your first time to VMworld?
Yes, it is.
Great. And I understand you've done quite a few Hands-On Labs today. You spent some time in here. How have you enjoyed that?
Yeah, I spent a lot of time today on hands-on labs, and it was great.
And what's your favorite Hands-On Lab?
My favorite hands-on labs is about NSX technologies, because you can just take this on your infrastructure, and hands-on lab provides a great opportunity to learn and try this technology.
Great. And what would you recommend to somebody coming to VMworld if they wanted to experience Hands-On Labs?
Yeah, I should recommend hands-on labs, especially for beginners and who don't have experience with VMware technologies and services.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.